Division of Tagum City to host the 2026 Davao Regional Athletic Association Meet.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the grand opening of 2026 Davao Regional Athletic Association Meet.
And now, before we start the entrance of delegations, we'll pass on the microphones to our co-hosts on the field. Let us welcome Ma'am Mary Christine Sagot and Sir Danilo Lumaino.
Thank you so much, Sir Jazz and Ma'am Heidi, and we are very ready. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we are waiting for, the grand parade of delegations with Tagum City and Davao del Norte marching bands, and the delegations from all over Region 11. Marching in is Magupo Pilot Imelda Elementary School, BBLC.
Malakas ang boses ng dalawa. Mahina, mahina. Hi, hello. Nice meeting you. You're so beautiful. Yes, thank you very much.
Let us welcome the delegates of Davao de Oro, headed by Honorable Governor Raul G. Mabanglo, Honorable Vice Governor Dorothy Montejo Gonzaga, District 1 Representative Honorable Maricar Zamora Mabanglo, District 2 Representative Honorable John Siniza, with their Schools Division Superintendent, Ma'am Feby K. L. Rifamonte, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Angelito D. Carrion, CID Chief Arlene B. Lim, SJOD Chief Ruben J. Riponte, Division Sports Officer Alan R. Cuerta, Assistant DSO Rosalie Maghinay, with 608 athletes and 124 coaches, assistant coaches, and chaperones. DDO, we make it happen. Ladies and gentlemen, the Davao de Oro Golden Thunderbolts!
Yutang saan may bulawang may pagluban, yuta mong nagmadagayaon, mga anak mong mahigugmaon. Di paligod sa bayanihan, iumol sa panag-iusa, sa timuhang may magdeya at sa pagtinabangan may kalanguan. Davao de Oro, mahandi mo nagasigla, di ka sa bubuhay. Talagsaon na sa kahitasan, kabukiran sa lumati alimahan, bunga sa kalagayan. Kapag ni oro yutang saan, may bulawang may pagluban, yuta mong nagmadagayaon, mga anak mong mahigugmaon. Ipalibot sa bayanihan, iumol sa panaghiusap, sa timumang may mabeya at sa pagtilabangan may kalamluan. Labang de oro, kanimong nagamitan, among kabulahanan. Davao de oro, magulawanong paraiso, sa nagiusang Davaoenyo. Ang kaanyang makabibihan, talagsaon sa kahitasan, kabukiran sa lumagi alimahan, bunga sa kalagayan. Sabang de oro, kanimong nagabitan, among kabulahanan. Dabang de oro, magulawanong paraiso, sa nagiusang Davaoenyo. Dabang de oro,